Ka company magic cook ka badai ka company ba penyat yo ye ki jat jingbam hne ka sngi kala pelat bat ba ye ki jingbam badang shupin mi thamai ba kin thop yo Hakka noodles bat kumju u ashar ha ka sien ka baning kong e ha ka jala mikhalia Hagani ka jingalang ka balong hamaha Lakshmi store ka badan halaban Shillong ladan langru Sanjeev Kumar Bajuria badai managing director jangka Shri Mahabir Foods Limited Lingba ka ni ka jingwan ra ye ki marbam thamai ka magic cook ka thmu ban pen khlan ye ki jingdan benta jangka ha Meghalaya da ka ba a ye ki nong thet ye ki jingjiet ka ba khambun ha ki marbam ki ba bang ki ba sok ban pendan kam bat ki ba byang na ka benta ka jingba man ka sngi jong ki long yeng ha India Habakran hakani ka jingalang o managing director ulaong baga Meghalaya ka long ka yo ka bakong san pha na ka benta jongki bat kumta ki smo kamen bakla la ban penyat yo Hakka noodles bat pickles jangka magic cook shakinong bam hakani ka jala menta tu ki nesngap ye ka jingya thu ka ba penya na iwei na ki samla habaya day bat kini ki marbam
Kadai ka local na bani hat ke kadai pa kamdan no palm oil no kamdan no palm oil but drive but yes but sheet life made with finesse and gluten quality you can trust kani umlong ko hindi giveaway balong manjam ni ko perfect you know kadai local na bani hat shed lada ko spicy pula mama pula lada pa po lada ko shed din ko long bamdan spicy pula bentuk itu sama kani pakalami launch semai kani jadi Hakka noodles semai
Jong magic cook
jong magic cook long silaban oil tunda kam tak taruh tang kinjat silaban air dalam kuah spicy ru keladan ke masala nang hapo ke masala keladan hapo silaban air lada kuah spicy lada kuah benong pedin silaban air tang kajo sekian jam kalau ini nak beri hat dan nanti kadai kadan 5 gram kadai silaban yo mix fruit jam dan nanti pineapple jam dan nanti mix fruit jam atau bukan ni kalau yang kalau itu nama beli kambing sini thanda katuna
thank you
mango pickles tu kadan 400 gram kani 400 gram but kani no palm oil kani oil add kadan kunci kajo ye badu atan kadan tuwe sarawai badu nam lu kamdan bun lu thanda kani kadika local na bani hat kami local kadika kai kunci mix pickle kani mix pickle ru labanya kadan 4 gram ban kadai new pesan ini mix pickle kalau kita jual ladan pai bang
Even staples from long time. Recently we have launched noodles, pickles and jams. Today we are launching a new variety of noodles which is called Hakka noodles, which is one of the oldest noodles available, and it is very much popular throughout the world. And we have launched earlier also 3 varieties of noodles, Korean and Thupka, and these are latest launch, and I'd like that people should appreciate it because it is very much hygienically made, and we are outsourcing it from other plants, and for this we just we have launched it in Shillong, so people can try also. So we have put a live counter in this place. Thank you.